Hello viewers, good morning. How are you doing today? Um, just like I told you in my previous videos that I'll be using this medium to teach you what you can actually use your phones to achieve. Today I want to do a simple design. I beg you to stay tuned and turn up the notification button. This is one of the apps in my phone that I'm using to run a design. You can already see they have a lot of backgrounds, a lot of designs already on it. So all we just need to do is to add a little touch of our designs to it. Now if you look at this, let's just go for something simple, something like this. Now I'm going to quickly add up a write-up to it by double tapping on where we have double tap to edit. Now you double tap, it's going to give you this. Now you select your text and then you input your write-up. You need to input your write-up, select the font style you want. I'm going to type in what I want inside the box. Inside the box. So let's see. So take us here. When you double tap on it, it will take you to where you have to type your text. Now, let's just use the word peace. Be with you. Peace be, alright, with you. That's what we're gonna use. Now this is what is here, the fonts that is there. So I'm going to go back to fonts to change it to normal font. Now we have a lot of fonts that are there that you can actually use, but you have to be a little bit professional with your font selection. You can be using things like this here. You can use this here. So I'm just going to go to my normal font. That is Arial Black. Now you can pick that. This is where you can actually change colors, but I prefer white to this. And then this is where you can justify your work or shift it to where you want. I'm going to reduce it in. Now, okay. Now we have one there actually. Now I can equally, you have this here. Now, for you to customize this to have your own business name on it, I would be adding something elsewhere. I'm going to add E-Media. Alright. Now this time around I'll take the E-Media out and I'll have it somewhere here. Now let's say I think we should make it capital letter to attract the view. So I'm going to have E-Media and bringing it down to this part, reducing it a bit. Now I'm going to make that, of course, a yellow color for it to be more pronounced. Probably a pink color, depending on what color you want. You see the colors are actually changing. I'm going to go to font and let me see the font style I will be using there. That is too bold for it. So let's see this. Now that can actually go in as well. So try to see if we can reduce it again. You have to be careful so that your work don't get you have to be careful so that your work doesn't go bending. So for this now, let's just go for simple font this. Now I'm going to add another write-up. By adding another write-up, you have to click on the empty interface, go back, and then select the A symbol there, and then I'm going to add graphica. Okay, I'm going to add graphica to it, and then I will also reduce the font a little bit. I have to go to font style and try to see the font I would use. Of course, you can use that. You can use, I think this is preferable. So I'm going to bring it right in here. Okay, so push it down a bit. All right, reduce it and take it closer to it. Now, of course, there are colors you can actually change. You can actually change to black, this and that. You can actually, you know, change your colors, increase dimensions, and all of that. But I think this is just perfect. Now, you have to, when you're done with it, you have to go to the export button. You try to save what you have done. Now we have this, and it's going to give you this view, which you would download to your phone, and then the final view can be seen when you go to your gallery. You can see my gallery, and then you try to check where you have the design, and you have this as your end use. We actually did the other one. This is another one we did from the platform, and so on and so forth. So thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll keep updating you on what you would do using your Android phones, using your any of the phones at all you can be able to make use of that can be able to run this app, especially Android phone. God bless you.